qualifying went very well. I was first, obviously, with the 16-1. I'm very happy with that.
Starting third, so maybe I can get a good start, pick up second off the line, and then hopefully the rest of the race goes well.
Yeah, starting the second lap, we were close going into the second S. Then we touched and I hit the curb. I went into two wheels. And then I think the car went over, it rolled like twice. It was a little bit scary, but I'm all good.
I was hoping it doesn't get red flagged because I got a good position after that. But then it did get red flagged and it was a restart, but I just got a good start and I went from there.
Going through the first S, we were fine. I was on the outside trying to give him more space, but then he was on the curb, his car went like that, and then I obviously had to turn, and then his car went into mine, and then I don't know what happened after that.
I'm all good, I'm good.
But yeah, the guys have turned its car around incredible. A few quick changes now, we're just bleeding the brakes to make sure, and we had to have an airlock in the radiator, but that's normal.
When it happened, I wasn't even concerned because I know how safety conscious Mike and his crew are. They insist on the 6-point harnesses, they insist on all the safety gear. That shows that it's worth the effort they put into. Credit to them and thanks to them, yeah.
So yeah, I give my guys freaking 110% today. They've really done a fantastic job. We've got a few minutes to go. Hopefully we can get him on the grid.
Feels nice. All that hard work now with all the practice in the sim, and thanks to the help with my dad and uncle, we made it. Yeah, I was having to hold him back because Luke racing it last year, he's got a lot of experience around here, and Jack, it's his home track, so I had to really use all my tricks there.
The race was good, had an amazing start. I think I got myself up to like fourth, had a good move into the hairpin, got into third and stuck there the whole race. So I'm really happy considering how my car is.
Not just, driving the car, but actually pushing and getting back up to third there was incredible.